Hey friends, if OneDrive is not syncing on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, first of all, make sure that the OneDrive server is up, because if the server is down, then it won't work. So search for OneDrive server status, and you can go to any website like Down Detector or portal.office.com, or you can also check for it on Bing. Okay, it says that the current OneDrive server status indicates that it's operational with no problems reported. And when you check Down Detector, there are a few problems, but not as many. So once the OneDrive server status is affirmed, after that, click on this symbol here. Click on the settings symbol. Click on the downward pointing arrow next to syncing. Quit OneDrive. Quit it. Now search for OneDrive and then go to OneDrive and open it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.